So here we are, the finished little basket. Didn't that turn out cute? Absolutely adorable. Cute as can be. There's the bottom. There's the inside. I think it turned out really cute. So you can see the seams, just like in the larger one. Oh, cute as can be. Alright, so now the only thing I did differently with this as opposed to this one is when I sewed the bottom on, I did have it turned inside out when I sewed it, but this one I didn't turn it inside out, and it still sits just perfectly. It's so cute, and the edges are cute. I like that. I like that look up there. I like the edge on that. I think it turns out really cute. I mean, it sits just as nicely, don't you think? And then, I can form it a little bit, more, but like, I just think they turn out so adorable. Look at it, what a nice little gift this would make. I mean, they're so cute. Just amazing. Precious, precious, precious. If you remember, I made the little cover to my glue bottle, which is not in here. And, but then I wanted to make, these baskets because I just think they turned out so beautiful. So this is the 5-inch. And now this is a 3-inch. So compare, you have the two side by side as a comparison. Look at how cute it is. It's so tiny. And then this one can go inside of there. So just think, make a 4-inch one, then you got your 3-inch one, and now you get your 2-inch one. I mean, you can nestle them together, and then that could be a nice, cute little matching gift set. And I'm still going to make the diaper holder one. So we're going to do that one together. I told you we would do that one together as soon as my daughter gets the... Oh, no, wait a minute. I keep getting confused on that. No, I have the fabric. She has to bring me the diapers. That's what I keep getting confused on. I know. I keep waiting. I said, what am I waiting on? I keep asking myself that. Anyway, so that's what it is. But didn't it? I just hope you make this project. Please leave me a comment and let me know, how do you like this little cute little basket? How do you like the project? Are you going to make one yourself? I love doing these clusters. I mean, isn't this just, oh, they're just so pretty. I mean, just gorgeous. Oh, absolutely. Such a great way to use up your scraps. Just like when I did on here, I did a cluster here, and a little bit of a cluster there, a nice cluster here. This I really turned out so beautiful. Look at this flower. This is the floral template, and I remember I layered it and put the centerpiece, but then I put tucked all these little pieces of lace in around that. Absolutely stunning. Turned out just amazing what you can do with fabric. Okay, so next video will be to make a 4-inch, and then I don't know if I'm going to go down to making a 2-inch one. I like this size. I think it's cute. I don't know, what would I use a 2-inch for? All right, so if you guys can come up with what we could use a 2-inch one for, leave it in the comments below. And if you have a channel here and want to collab with me and make one of these and tag me in it, I would really love to do that. I am still working on the collaboration with my friend Linda Coker. My package got lost in the mail. Isn't that lovely? So hers made it from Texas to Florida, but mine did not make it from Florida to Texas. I do not know what's going on with that mail. So I have to make another foundation piece and send her, so I'm going to work on that. So I will get busy and do that so that we can do the collaboration. So I know you're looking forward to that. I'm looking forward to it. I want her to get her piece from me so that she can add to it, and I can add to the one she sent me, and then I can show you what she sent me, and then as I work on it, you'll get to see it. But anybody else out there who has a sewing channel that wants to collab with me, or a junk journal channel and we can swap projects. You start it, I start one, we send them to each other, and then we each finish it and show it on our channel. I would love to do that with you. Okay, so Please check out my You Discover Mindfulness new channel. I will put it in the description below. Stay safe and keep creating in the sunshine. Bye-bye.